Have you ever had a car or truck or something that had like shiny bumpers like this? Well, after a while they kind of look like crap, really. Uh, Most people just leave them alone and whatever, and just look at them in disgust or just don't care. Uh, some just paint over it, and if you like trying to restore or just try to spruce it up a little bit, you could also just recoat them again in chrome, send it out and get it. It's quite expensive, so I thought why not try just some chemical treatment, see if we can restore some of the shiny part back. So I got a bunch of stuff. Let me show you. You may have heard of the trick of the Coke method and aluminum foil, which I'm gonna try just to see how the effects are gonna be. Now you want to use the diet one, because if you get the regular Coke, it's gonna have sugar, which is gonna make it quite messy to clean. The other one I want to try is just straight up vinegar. This is distilled vinegar, so hopefully it'll work. And the other one is just chrome polish from other parts store. It says what it does on the bottle, so let's see which one works better. So this was $1.99, 79 cents, $1.65, but I think the retail is actually more like $6.50 for this one. So we're gonna try different methods on the bumper. So here is the rear bumper close up. It's pretty bad. This is extremely rough surface, so I have very little hope for this side, but I think this might be shiny. So we'll see. Some chrome is worn out, so there's no hope from that except for recoating or painting. So I'm gonna make a section and see how it works out. So here we are, ready for the test. I marked off sections of the bumper that I'm gonna test the products on. So this is gonna be the total polish. Here, this is gonna be straight up vinegar. This is gonna be vinegar with some salt, table salt. This is gonna be here cola with foil, and this is just gonna be cola straight up. I'm gonna be applying it all with this blue scratch pad. It's fairly soft, so you shouldn't scratch up the surface at all. It's good for your pans and dishes too, especially the non-stick kind. So this one, I'm just gonna follow the instructions. This 3 with the pan, this is the foil, and that's it. So let's start with the polish. So first thing to do is actually to read the instructions. I know, sounds weird, especially coming from me. Direction: shake well, apply polish with a soft cloth or applicator and allow to dry to a haze. Wipe off with a clean soft cloth and buff lightly for brilliant shine. Note: do not use on hot surface or in direct sunlight. Test first on an inconspicuous area. If adversely affected, refrain from use. Do not use on plastic or metallized grills. Caution: eye irritant. In case of a contact, rinse through it with water for 15 minutes. Keep out of reach of children. So keep from freezing. Okay. It does not say what kind of chemical it's on this guy inside. So it's probably a trade secret or not too hazardous. Shake, 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 shake. Okay. Got a somewhat clean rag. So let's do this. everything is applied. I'm gonna give it 5 to 10 minutes. It's a little bit cold, as you can see. it's fairly cold and windy. So I'm gonna give it some time to actually have a reaction, and then I'm gonna come with well, this one I need to buff a little bit to wipe and clean. This one's I'm just gonna use plain water and wipe it off, and then we can do a comparison and see if it did anything. Here's a look of how it came out. Let's compare it to the original under the tape. Alright, so here's the comparison. As you can see, the best product was actually the product that was advertised for the job, which is the total chrome polish. Even though it kind of looks like it didn't do much, but once you remove the tape and you compare it to the original, there's a big difference in the finish. It's actually shiny and everything. It has a nice protective layer to it. The vinegar did a little bit of work, but not too much. Vinegar salt about the same. It actually slightly discolored the chrome. Coke and aluminum, I think, is the second best, and Coke and Scrubby Pad didn't do much, a little bit. So this is definitely the third. So there you go. Best product is actually the product that's made for the job. Who would have thought? Anyways, thank you for watching.